Do you want to make your first K as a coach? Let's see how you can do it. Hi, this is Douka, a master certified coach, which brings me to 4% of coaches globally, and I'm Global Academy of Coaching Director. Now, in this video, I'll give you the steps on how to make your first 20K as a coach. How cool is that? Now, in Global Academy of Coaching, we support you with business building tools. We encourage you and pretty push you out there in order to share the power of coaching. And I would like to invite you now to do an exercise. Write down your targets for the next 3 months. Those are gonna be financial targets, and they're also gonna be feeling targets. So what are the feeling targets? It's what you want to be feeling. What are the feelings you want to generate? Because my beautiful friend, we do everything in order to generate the feelings that we want. Now, plan every single day towards the question, how can I serve my client while making money? And I know that this question really triggers some of us, and it used to trigger me very, very much. And it's very, very, very important that you realize that you're running a business, and a business is very important to bring in money and support and give job also to other people when you stop being a solo entrepreneur. Now, you make tons of mistakes and you're very open to failure and you bounce back quickly. And in Global Academy of Coaching, we really support our graduates to make ton of mistakes, be out there, be very open to bouncing back. Without mistakes, you're not gonna learn. Mistakes equal learning. Also, it's so important that you embrace the imposter syndrome. You will be living with imposter syndrome forever, I promise you. I still have it after 15 years. Communicate in social media what you're doing. Meet up with friends, colleagues, share your business. Write articles in online or hard copy magazines and become an authority in your field. Talk about what you do everywhere. When I went in the beginning, when I was studying with Jack Canfield, I asked him, Jack, how can I make my business big? And he said, start talking everywhere to anyone about what you're doing, even in the supermarket, picking up your daughter at school, everywhere. Release the need to apologize because you want to make decent money. This is so important to be able to understand that you do not need to apologize for making a living. You have permission granted to live your dreams. Now, I gave you 8 action points. What is the one action point you will do in order to take care of your business and go to the next level of your 20K? Subscribe, like, and share this video that me and my team have been working very hard to bring to you. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in one of the interviews you're going to be having with the Global Academy of Coaching coach in order to see what is the next step that you can do towards an amazing career.